Hello, I'm back with another repair. So today we got an iPhone 8 Plus broken back glass. The phone is okay, working fine, no problem at all. So we're just gonna replace the back glass only. This one is very easy as compared to the iPhone X. So let's start by taking the SIM card out. This one is about 1 hour process. So I'm editing the video, I'm doing the fast forward, and I have to use the voiceover for this video as well, as we did in the last one for the iPhone XS Max back glass. This iPhone 8 Plus is much easier to do as compared to the iPhone X. One of the main reason is just the cables inside. The iPhone X has so many cables which we have to take care of. Other than that, it's almost the same process. We have to take off all the parts out, all the spare part, battery, motherboard, camera, charging connector, the back coil which is for the wireless, and that's it. Then we're gonna heat it up again on 200 degree. And on this video I will show you why I don't like to heat up on 250, which some people do. And there is another one main difference between the iPhone X back glass and the iPhone 8 Plus. If you have seen my video for the X, I bought the back glass with the bigger camera hole. It doesn't come with the lens, which means we're gonna use the same camera lens which is on the iPhone XS or Max or whatever. They all three models are similar. But for the iPhone 8 and the 8 Plus, it is better to buy the back glass which has the back camera lens attached to it. The main reason is because when you're gonna take the back glass off on the 8 Plus, the frame which holds the camera, it's gonna be very flimsy. It's gonna be very easy to take off, and it's not gonna stay in properly. It's gonna always move a little bit. So it's to do a good job, buy the back glass which has the back camera lens pre-welded and good attached to it, not just with the glue. It has to be welded. So it's gonna make your life much easier, and you won't have any issue from the customer. Okay, so we almost taken out everything, just the charging port is left, and we are heating up again and again with the heater because I do not want to force the charging port to come out. When I started doing all these repairs, I damaged couple of the connectors, like while taking the charging port off, I damaged the microphone, so we have to change the whole cable. But now things are different. It's much easier. Like this phone took me about an hour to do. Is only because I'm making video for this one as well, so I have to put the phone onto the angle so you guys can see as well. If I don't make a video, it's gonna take only about 40 to 50 minutes max to do that. And similar with the iPhone X and the XS Max, it's gonna take me around about an hour and a half roughly to do it. Okay, the back glass is on to the hot plate. Now let me explain you about this machine over here. So this machine, when I bought it about a few months ago. I don't remember how long ago, but like when it recently came, it came with 3 molds: iPhone 8, 8 Plus and the iPhone X. There's only 2 screws on the top. You can take the mold off, put another one on. It's basically to align the back glass properly on top of it. I'm using the iPhone X mold for all the X series, even the XS, XS Max, even the XR as well. It almost similar, it works. Like we done the last video for the XS Max, there was on the iPhone X mold. This mold is 8 plus. The camera location is different. It's like it sits on easy when you do that. So the heater is on 200 degree. I'm taking the glass off with the blade. And later on I will show you why I do not do it on 250. There's a little hint over there. It took me a bit long to take the glass off. The camera lens, as I explained you before, we have to get the back glass with the lens, and I will show you that one as well, why we need to do that. So the glass is almost out. You can see all the parts I have taken out, they're all on the positions. So this is under the microscope. We cleaning all the leftovers, the glue from the edges, and it has to be like perfectly flat. And there's one more thing you guys need to take care of is the edges. Like the edge is of plastic. See over here, like this one what I'm fixing now on the black one, because of the overheating it has melted a little bit, not much. Then I have to like scrap them off to make it align to the frame again. So if you use it on 250 degree, that's it, you're gonna melt all those plastic and the back glass not gonna stick in properly. And for the back camera frame, it moves a lot. Like this one here, iPhone X has a strong connection, like it is welded properly. But this one here is only holded by just one small piece of plate, which is very slim. So you can leave it there, but it's gonna be flimsy. I don't recommend it. For 8 and 8 plus, buy the back lens which has the camera pre-attached to it, camera lens pre-attached to it. I'm putting a double sticky tape over here because when I use the glue, it will hold the glass on position. Like when I'm gonna move it, that the double sticky tape's not gonna let it move. Attached. That's it. These clamps just to hold it for a couple of seconds on all the corners. Sometimes you have to use a like glue again on the sides to make sure it fits on. All done. The back camera lens is attached to it already. The back glass is done, so now we have to reverse everything back. Yep, so that was it. Took me around about an hour roughly, and all good to go. Back to brand new again. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Thanks.